The ocean is a large part of my life. It brings kind of like a peace of mind to me. My name is Keanu Yoshioka, and I am a ramp agent. The meaning of Kai is the strength of the ocean. To me, the ocean is a gift, kind of. It's a food source that we use for everything. It's important to take only what you need from the ocean so it'll be there for generations to come. I've been fishing since I was around 8 years old. Just my whole family in general. We all go out, have fun together, try to catch some fish for dinner or just to have fun as well. It's made me realize that it's very important, especially in our culture, because it's one thing that we've used many years to survive on this island. The god of water plays a big part in our culture. We believe anything that we do that's disrespectful can have a very big consequence. Southwest has helped me with Kai because I can also travel to other islands and get together with other family to do all these other things like fishing, being with family and the ocean itself. To me, I come at peace. I can stare at the ocean all day. Just being on the ocean makes me happy.